So I'm doing a mixture of original songs and also covers that mean something to me. Not just singing any type of cover, but songs from some of our great legends who many of them aren't here anymore, and they left such great treasures with us. So this next song I want to do is by Bob Marley. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiling with the rising sun. 3 little birds were on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. This is my message to you.